What's up everybody? So today we're out here with the Kraton EXB. A few people have been asking what motor I'm running, what pinion I'm running, what temps I get, and what sort of speeds I get with the setup I'm running. So I thought I'd go over that, take it out for a speed run, because I haven't actually given it a full flat out speed run. When I first got it I was a bit limited on the space I could drive it. I got 53 miles an hour out of it that time, so this is a much more open space we got here today, so I should be able to get it up to full speed and see what it will run. Before we get into it, if you like what we're doing, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notifications, give us a like, give us a hate, and add the comments down below. So today we'll be running on the Turnigy Rapid lipos. They're running in 6S, so 2 3S packs, 55 milliamp hour, 140C packs. There's a link in the description down below where you can get those from. Great packs. They're Hardcase, pack plenty of punch, so we should be getting good speed out of this today. So the setup I run is I'm running on a Hobbywing Max6 ESC and the Hobbywing Max6 motor, the 4985 1650 kV, running on a 50 tooth spur and a 19 tooth pinion. As you can see, I am running with my high-speed fans to keep everything nice and cool, but on this setup I don't think you really need it. And everything will be logged today on the SkyRC GSM 020 GPS analyzer. Again, a link in the description down below where you can get that from. Okay, let's get everything fired up and see what she does. So put it on track, we'll start, and let's see how we go. It's working, yep. Apologies for the noise guys, there's a couple of football matches going on at the moment, so, but let's see if we can get the power down. Right. Pulled a wheelie there, couldn't quite get the power on. We'll try and do it this way. Ease the power on, ease the power on. Ooh, it's difficult to get that power down. We'll give it another go though. Squeezing, 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 squeezing. Oh. Trying to keep that front down. Get one more pass this way. That's, oh, it pulls that front up every time. Let's see what we got so far. Just trying to keep that front down. So we're stop, read, that's 55 miles an hour. It's got more in it, it's keeping that front down. We'll track, start, see what we can get this time. So we've got someone with headphones on their phone, not even looking at what they're doing, so unfortunately you have to keep your eye out for certain people doing things that aren't even aware of what's around them. There's a little kick here which is really annoying because it kicks the front up. That's flat out. That's flat out with the kept the front down that time. Let's give it one more pass, see if we can get another pass doing it. Give it one more pass, see if we can get the power down again. So after this kick here, now power. That's a good flat out run there. Good flat out run, so let's see what we got. And we'll stop and we'll read 57 miles an hour, guys. So that's 57 miles an hour on the Hobbywing Max6 1650 kV motor with a 50 tooth spur and 19 tooth pinion. Just so you can check there's no hokey pokey going on. Yes, I love the word hokey pokey. There we go. Turnigy Rapid 5500 milliamp hour, running in 6S. Just had some geese flying over. Okay guys, we now give it some flat out runs, couple of passes, and see what sort of temperatures we're hitting. Oh, we might see if I can do the wheelie competition here as well. See how long I can wheelie it for. Oh, front flip. Trying to keep that front up without it kicking back down again. Callum's a lot better at wheelies than I am. The ground was smoother. Oh. Something may have gone. We may have lost something, guys. I'm just wondering if the rear diff's gone again. Something definitely, I don't know what was spinning out that way. If anyone's interested, I'm running a three star gears either side of the rear diff. Yeah, it feels okay. I don't feel like anything's going on there. I feel like there's anything weird going on. Anyway, not sure why it veered violently then. May just be losing traction on the ground. But let's see what sort of temperatures we're getting. So the motor is at 38 degrees centigrade. You can see that, guys. Motor is running at 42 degrees centigrade on the back of the can. I mean, it's fairly warm. And the ESC, I mean, the ESC is barely getting up above it's at 30. No heat at all. I mean, these fans are obviously doing a great job of keeping everything cool anyway. You can see there though, 39 and 40 degrees on the can, on the back of the can. That's running flat out with these, so there's no heating issues whatsoever. Now, it does look like we're losing a bit of the tyre around the rim, so I have to sort that out when we get home, get some super glue in it. It may have been why it veered off. I won't be doing too much on the speed run front at the moment. Yeah, losing it a bit on this one as well. So always worth keeping an eye on your tyres, guys, because the last thing you want to do is have a tyre blow off. This side on the, oh no, we're losing it there as well. Look at that! Wow, severe. Yeah, so I won't be doing anything mental now. Let's get those glued up. But I will just I want to check, see why it was pulling badly. Unless my centre disc's gone, I might have to get out and check that. No, the centre disc feels okay. Might have just been losing a bit of traction. Oh, got a bit of an audience now. Let's give it a few more blasts and see what happens. Oh, and as you can probably see, guys, I am running the M2C chassis on this now. I did put a few tweaks and bends in the stock one. Stock one's tough, but it's just not as tough as an M2C. And the way I drive these cars, it just needs a little bit more. We call it a day, guys. I'm going to get home, sort those tyres out, get them all glued up again before they rip off and I have to buy a new set. But as I said, hopefully this was useful. Hopefully it's given you some all ideas about what setup to put in your EXBs going forward. If you like what we're doing, as I said, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notifications, give us a like, give us a hate, and comments down below. Stay safe, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one.